Hi, this is Rob. I'm going to talk about the features of the VTech KidiZoom Dual DX digital selfie camera with MP3 player. Other VTech children's cameras you may want to check out is the VTech KidiZoom Camera Pix. This is a 2 megapixel digital camera, records video, takes selfies, funny photo effects, makes stop animation movies, record your voice and change your voice with 5 different voice changing effects and 4 built-in games. And also take a look at the VTech KidiZoom Twist Connect camera. This is a 2 megapixel digital camera with a rotating lens. You can rotate the lens back to take selfies. You can turn the lens to add different color effects to the photos, a 4x digital zoom, a built-in flash, 5 built-in games, voice recorder, and change your voice with 5 different voice-changing effects, make stop animation movies, and you can create talking photo albums. Now for the VTech KidiZoom Dual DX digital selfie camera with MP3 player. This camera is designed for 3-year-olds and older. The camera has 2 camera lenses, a 5 megapixel front camera, and a rear 2 megapixel selfie camera. You can also record 640 by 480 videos. This camera also has a built-in MP3 player and a headphone jack. You can download music from your computer to the camera and listen to music with this camera. Then in the menu system of the camera, go to the music player. The music files will appear and play in alphabetical order, or press up or down in this directional pad to navigate to the song you want to play, and press the OK button to play that music file. What comes in the box? The camera, a wrist strap, a parent's guide / manual, and a USB cable. The user's manual is very good. It covers everything about the camera and its features and all the camera menus. The USB cable is for connecting the camera to a computer to transfer photos and videos to a computer or to download music to the camera for the MP3 player. The USB cable is not for charging the camera. The camera runs on 4 AA batteries, and these batteries are not included, so you would have to buy them separately. I recommend these Amazon Basic 8-pack AA batteries. Also for this camera, you would need to buy a micro SD card. The camera does have internal memory and can hold 140 photos at 5 megapixels per photo, but the camera can take a 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB micro SD card. With a 32 GB micro SD card, you can hold 27,500 photos. I recommend this made for Amazon SanDisk 32 GB micro SD memory card. You can also store and play music files from the micro SD card. The included manual does a good job on how to install the batteries and how to install the micro SD card. The menu system. To go to the main menu, press the home button. This is the main menu with 8 main menu pages. Use the directional pad to go to a menu page and press the OK button to go into that page. The camera page. Press here to go into the camera mode. When in camera mode, you can switch between front camera and selfie camera by pressing this button here. Then you can use the zoom wheel to zoom in on your subject. Press the OK button or the shutter button to take a photo. To add wacky photo effects to the photo, press the star button. Video mode. In video mode, you can take normal videos, record with funny live face filters, and you can also record with a color filter effect by turning the front rotary ring. Collage mode. You can make collage pictures by taking several photos in sequence. Go to collage mode, select a layout, shoot the photos, then press the OK button to confirm and save the picture. You can review your collage pictures anytime in the playback mode. This is the MP3 player. Playback mode. This is to view your photos and videos. Press up or down on the directional pad to view the previous or next file. Use the zoom wheel to zoom out and view the files as thumbnails. Then use the zoom wheel to zoom in and return to full screen view. Wacky slideshow. You can view the photos on the camera as a slideshow with funny effects. The photos will not be saved with the wacky slideshow effects. This is only for viewing in this mode. Creative tools. There is a photo editor. In photo editor, you can add photo frames, stamps, special effects, and fantasy effects to a photo. There is an animation maker to make stop motion movies. There is a silly face detector. With a silly face detector, you can take a picture of your friend. It will tell you how silly or smart your friend is. The voice recorder is located here. Games mode. There are 5 built-in games. 3 of them are augmented reality games. Okay, that is it. Like I said before, the included owner's manual is very good and covers everything about this camera.